The mystery inside tomatoes, the secret of the watery part you've been throwing away. Look at the inside of a fresh red tomato. There's a bright green color. In the middle it is like a root, and on the edges it is like water, but if you hold it, it is like gel. And there are many seeds in the gel. While discussing the inside of a fresh tomato, we will observe the clearest details of the tomato using a microscope. This is what the gels inside the red tomatoes look like, and you can see the roots. We've all done it. Cut open a ripe tomato and, without thinking, scoop out the juicy, seeded insides. They say it keeps the salad from getting soggy or the dressing from getting too runny. But have we made a big mistake? The soft, juicy, and seed-filled inside of this tomato is considered to be just garbage. But what if we've been wrong all this time? What if the part we so confidently threw away was actually the heart of the tomato itself? What if I told you that, inside this slippery gel, lies a brilliant evolutionary story, a secret burst of flavor, and a nutritional key we've been ignoring? We're about to unravel the endocarp mystery. Let's meet our main characters. And here's our secret room. Not solid walls, but a fluid universe. Here, two inseparable protagonists live. First, the life-giving sponge, the placenta. This sticky tissue to which each seed is firmly attached. Think of it as the umbilical cord and home to the baby tomato seeds. And second, the mysterious fuel, the gel. A thick, clear liquid that encases each seed like a survival capsule. The big question is, why does the tomato spend so much energy creating this complex structure? Is it just a coincidence? Of course not. Nothing in nature is without a purpose. Let's tell a story. Every tomato seed is a genetic treasure trove for the future. Its mission to survive and spread. Its enemy, the harsh outside world. So how does it succeed? The first strategy is the anti-drought bunker. This gel acts as a personal water supply. It perfectly maintains the moisture content of the seeds. Protecting it from death by drying, even after the fruit is detached from the tree. And when we look closely, we can see a thin gel sac in the shape of an oval string. The second strategy is that the gel is sweet and sour. Its taste is appealing to birds and mammals. When they devour the tomato, the gel-encased seeds are saved from being destroyed in the stomach. The gel acts as a protective barrier. The seeds are then carried far away and excreted along with the feces, which acts as a natural fertilizer. Genius, right? The third strategy is that the gel contains special chemical compounds, such as abscisic acid, a sleep hormone. It prevents seeds from germinating while still inside the parent fruit. This prevents cannibalism. The baby plants must not compete with their parents. Only when the gel is washed away by rain or damaged does this alarm go off, and the seeds are ready to grow. So naturally, this gel is the life fluid for tomato seeds. But what does that mean for us, the human eaters? This is the part that will change your perspective forever. Ever find that supermarket tomatoes are often bland? That's because modern growers sometimes breed tomatoes for thick flesh, sacrificing the complexity of flavor in the endocarp. Research at the University of Florida found that most of the delicious umami flavor compounds, glutamic acid and natural sugars, are actually more concentrated in this gel. If you throw it away, you're throwing away the very soul of the tomato's flavor. And it's not just about taste. It's about amazing nutritional science. This gel is a super cocktail. It contains gamma-aminobutyric acid, a compound that is the brain's natural calming neurotransmitter. Tomato gel is one of the highest sources of GABA in the plant world. It helps calm the nervous system. There is also lycopene content, a red antioxidant pigment that fights free radicals, here in a special form that is 3x easier for the body to absorb than lycopene in fruit flesh. There are saponins, which are natural soap-like molecules that are powerful fighters against inflammation and maintain cell health. Ultimately, studying the tomato endocarp teaches us something bigger than just cooking. It teaches us to look deeper. If you're surprised by the secrets of this small, everyday fruit, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell. There are many more food secrets waiting to be discovered together. See you in the next exploration.